Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So in this clip, we're going to be finishing up our luggage tag. So once you've stitched around 3 edges, you just want to go ahead and turn it inside out. And just be kind of careful when turning inside out vinyl, because the vinyl has a tendency to stick and kind of pull. So you just want to do it as gently as possible. Push it off through. We also have the added bonus of having our little vinyl pocket over here to hold our business card. There it is. So, if your fingers aren't long enough to poke this out, you can always use a pencil. So you just want to go and poke out the corners. Go ahead and poke this corner out. Well, that's looking pretty cool. Trim off any little extra strings. Now what we need to do is stitch up the last bit. And what we're going to do is actually fold this underneath. We're going to be stitching this, and then we're just going to go ahead and stitch around the whole rest of it as a little top stitching detail. So you want to flatten this out as much as possible. Because you're using so much vinyl here, you don't want to iron it. But if you do need to iron it, you can always put a cloth over and go ahead and press it. But we're just going to fold it in. Go ahead and fold in your top. Fold in the bottom. Make sure it's even, and then just place a little pin to secure it. Make sure the corners are nice and even. Okay, and once you have that done, you're ready to go ahead and top stitch all the way around. And when you're top stitching, you just want to be really careful. You want your stitching to look perfect because you are going to see it.